Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. Many of you asked about the Android 10 update date for the Galaxy A50, and I told you I was gonna do a video about it. For those who don't know, I got my Android 10 update for the Galaxy A50 couple of days ago with the April security patch. Android 10 brings a lot of new and useful features for the Galaxy A50, such as the new gestures, the new camera layout, smoother animations, and many more. I made a video about everything that is new with the Android 10 on the Galaxy A50. So, if you want to know, you can go and check out my video. The link is in the description. The Android 10 on the Galaxy A50 was first launched in South Korea, as Samsung does with all of their phones. The update came in South Korea in the beginning of March, and a couple of days later, the update was released in India as well. Something strange is that even the two countries got the update almost at the same time. In South Korea, the update came with the March security patch, while in India it came just with the February security patch. And if that is not bad enough, shortly after they released the update, many bug reports came to Samsung from people who installed the new Android 10 on their Galaxy A50 devices. Samsung releases their software updates in batches, so not everyone receives the update at the same time. That was the case in India as well, where just some people got the Android 10 before Samsung rolled back the update because of the bug reports they received from the users. I don't know what's going on at Samsung, but they messed up a lot of software updates and they had to stop them in many countries and for many models. As far as I know, they messed up the updates for the Galaxy A50, Galaxy A70 and for the Galaxy S20. I really hope this is just a temporary issue they are dealing with, and in the future they will be more aware of what they are doing. Recently, in the Samsung Members app, users from India were informed that the Android 10 update was delayed. So in India, things are pretty bad looking at the software updates. Many devices were up next in May to receive the Android 10, many of them budget or mid-range phones, but it was the Galaxy Fold as well. We don't know exactly how long this delay is gonna be, but we can hope maybe in June or July they will manage to release the updates. This delay is not Samsung's fault. The delay appeared because of the ongoing lockdown mandated by the Indian government to curb the spread of the new pandemic. For now, it's unknown how long will be this delay and when Samsung will start working on the new updates, but so far, the national lockdown should end today on May 3. Various Galaxy models in India were planned to receive Android 10 and One UI 2 in May, but this time window could now be missed. This is all we know so far about the updates in India, but nothing else worldwide. So if you own a Galaxy A50 or if you own any mid-range or budget device that should get the Android 10 soon, you should be aware that your official release date may be delayed. If you already got the update, tell me about your experience with the new update and if you had any problems with it so far and which security patch did you got. I'm really curious to see. I'm really happy that I got the new update and I really hope Samsung will manage soon to release the update worldwide without a too big delay. This was always a problem for Samsung releasing the updates on time worldwide. Even in the last years, Samsung really got better and better with the updates, still it can't compare with the iOS updates. I really look further to see the day Samsung will manage to give the updates worldwide in a short time. Until you get the new update, you can ask me anything you want to know, and I will try to answer to your questions and help you out. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.